In this video tutorial, we will be talking about what is theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is based on the probability of what should happen when conducting a probability experiment. Let's check out this example. What is a theoretical probability of tossing a quarter and getting a tail? Our answer is 1/2, simply because there is one tail out of two possible outcomes, head versus tail. Let's take a look at another example. A spinner is divided into 4 equal parts, red, blue, green, and yellow. What is the theoretical probability that the spinner will land on green? So when we're talking about theoretical probability, that means that we will not actually be spinning the spinner. We want to know what are the chances of landing on a green. Let's check out the answer. 1 out of 4. Simply because there is one green part out of 4 possible outcomes. Let's look at another example. So here we have a coin that's being tossed 50 times, and you record how many times it lands on heads and tails. In this case, it landed on heads 28 times. However, this question wants us to find the theoretical probability of landing on heads. Now, because we have already discussed about coins and having two sides, you should already know the theoretical probability for this question. Without conducting an experiment of tossing the coin, there is a theoretical probability of 1/2 that the coin lands on heads because there is one side of the coin with heads and there are two total possible outcomes, heads and tails.